Okay, so we're back for another day. We ended up taking one small loss. I decided to be aggressive because this has just been just grinding and chopping up, and the 1 minute just flip flopping, sweeping, sweeping highs, sweeping lows. So decided to be very aggressive on the 1 minute close now, simply due to the fact that I wanted to see a good reaction from this 1 hour order block tap. And after we just engineered all this liquidity up here, that would be. So I got what I wanted in my setup, which was um, a tap on the 1 hour order block because this was bearish. I don't know if it's going to close above or not and sweep these equal highs. So I also had that in mind that we had equal highs right here. I don't know if it's going to close above now or not, but I don't want to bet on that after just taking a trade. 15 minute is internally bullish. Again, once I saw this tap of this 1 hour and this, I guess, 15-minute order block, I was pretty happy with the reaction and how it closed. Then on the 5 minute, same thing. I got this tap right here, and then we went down. It reacted very nicely, as you can see. And there was a little bit of drawdown here, but here I was just waiting for candles to close. So it didn't close bullish. So for me, having this 1 minute candle just confirmed my bearish bias even more. Then we kind of closed below, then we closed below again. Then at this point right here, there's a new 15-minute candle. So I said, okay, I'm gonna give it space and I'm gonna wait for it um, to trade. I mean, this is not really much space, but given the fact that I wanted to see us go down after tapping that 1 hour order block and that 15-minute order block. And we've been, hanging around in this 15-minute fair value gap as well. And all the other bearish bias that I had. So at one point, this had a wick all the way through here, and I thought we could expand lower, maybe to this daily order block level right there. Um, I just wanted to see price to go and respect 1 minute PD arrays in some extent. So I saw us disrespecting, kind of like we closed inside this. I said, okay, 15-minute candle, it can be messy, a little bit messy. So I'm gonna wait for it to close. If I don't get the close over here, I'm not exiting the trade. Then I got the close and I basically just exited, and it ended up being the right call because now I would have gotten stopped out. The trade was basically this. Because this was, very, very, very wicky, lots of wicks, I just decided to take it like this. And then I was targeting, I think, yeah, the end of this 5 minute fair value gap and, kind of the end of that order block, of that breaker block right there. Reasons why I didn't short over here was because I wanted this next candle, instead of just selling off, tapping this and then go. Um, we had this 5 minute fair value gap and this breaker, so I was expecting a reaction. We always get reactions from these, and I didn't want to get stopped out. Again, uh, just very patient today, except here where I kind of like FOMO'd into longs, right? So I had this trade in to here. And hindsight tells, okay, now it's going up, blah, blah, blah. This looks good in hindsight. Problem is, how would this candle, 1 hour candle close look? How do I do it? Is it the next one? Like, the 1 hour candle closed like this. Would you long this with this order block over here, giving this structure? We have this wick right here, but still, I wouldn't be betting on longing a 1 minute setup to break a 1 hour order block and sweep these highs. I would wait for something uh, better to long for, whether that be whether that be, let me just close this, whether that be this close over here and then a tap, which I didn't get, or, maybe this close right now and then long it. For me, that's way better, but still, we're still inside here. That said, I was very patient today, very disciplined. We're ending the month in like -1 R. If I'm not mistaken, let me just check TradeZella. Ending the month with about -1 R, -1.1 ish R. And we are ending the quarter +10, I think. So 1,000 is 5. Now we're ending the month +7 R. So I think ending the quarter +7 R. So I think very good quarter. My first ever profitable quarter. March was rough. I can see here, I'm seeing on my TradeZella here on my screen. I had like 2 trades that I was not supposed to take. Same thing for February, the first 2 months of February. 2 trades that I was not supposed to take, then one normal loser. So that's okay, I guess. Then one normal loser where I would take it anyways. But yeah, just March was pretty rough, um, given that the fact that I had those actually 3 trades. So I basically gave away 200, 400, 600, $700 in profit, which could have been $700 more in here. Um, so yeah, that said, hope you enjoyed, and I see you guys tomorrow. There will be a new monthly candle as well. This monthly candle is closing now as well. So hope you enjoy, and I see you guys tomorrow.